Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide alerts for text messages on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Messages app. Once you're there, the first way to do it is just by swiping to the left on a particular conversation. So let's say I'm going to use this conversation at the very top. So I'm just going to swipe to the left. And you will see a bell icon right there. If you tap on it, that particular conversation will be muted, and there will be a muted icon or symbol right there on the right side of that conversation. So the next way is by holding or tap and hold that particular conversation, and this will pop up and you will see show alerts right here, or you could tap on it again and hide alerts. And the last way to do this is just by going to that particular conversation, tapping on the profile at the very top, and you will see the hide alerts option right there. And to disable it, you need to tap on the switch button, and to enable it, just tap on it again. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.